Eat these 5 foods to speed up your metabolism and lose weight quickly. In brief moments, a written explanation. The metabolism includes all the things our body does in order to turn food into energy. The function of our metabolism plays an important role in maintaining other important functions, such as the hormonal balance, repairing the cells, breathing and blood circulation. Gender, age, height, weight, and the daily eating habits are some of the most common factors that can influence on your metabolism. If you have a fast metabolism, you will feel energetic and you will be able to lose weight faster. Having a slow metabolism, on the other hand, can have many bad sides, including dry skin, cholesterol, fatigue, swollen joints, weight gain, depression, slower heart rate, and heavy menstrual discharge. As you can see, it is of utmost importance to give your metabolism a natural boost. Here we have 5 ideal foods that will help you do it. Check them out. 1. Lemons. Lemons not only cleanse your liver and digestive system, but also boost the function of your metabolism. This is due to their abundance of vitamin C and enzymes which can effectively eliminate the toxins from your body. In fact, the toxins are converted into compounds which are subsequently eliminated in the form of waste. All you have to do is drink 1 glass of warm water with the juice of half a lemon squeezed into it and drink this as the first thing in the morning. You can also add lemons into salads or meals. 2. Green tea. Green tea possesses potent metabolism-boosting properties. It contains antioxidants and polyphenols, and it is very beneficial for the metabolic function. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, green tea possesses thermogenic properties and has the ability to promote the oxidation of fat. Another study showed that it is a great weight loss and weight maintenance agent. Green tea contains catechins and caffeine that can speed up your metabolic rate and the energy expenditure during the process of weight loss. It is recommended to drink 2-3 cups of green tea a day. 3. Cayenne pepper, capsaicin. The active compound possesses potent thermogenic properties and can speed up your metabolic rate. According to a study published by the Journal of Biological Chemistry, this compound found in cayenne pepper has the ability to boost metabolism and body temperature. It is very effective for enhancing the protein activity inside fat cells, thus breaking down the fat. Another study showed that cayenne pepper is very beneficial in weight management in 3 separate categories: lowered appetite, increased oxidation of lipids, and increased energy levels. 4. Grapefruits. Grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, an essential vitamin for regulating fat metabolism and fat burning. Moreover, they contain narangenin, a flavonoid which has potent antioxidant properties and is very beneficial for your metabolism. Narangenin also has the ability to lower insulin levels in your blood, thus leading to improved blood sugar levels and a faster metabolism. According to a 2011 study published by Nutrition and Metabolism, by combining a diet low in calories and a glass of grapefruit juice, you will be able to regulate your metabolism and speed up the process of weight loss. In order to obtain its maximum benefits, you should drink freshly squeezed grapefruit with a lot of pulp in it. Note, it can interact with certain medications, so before you include it into your diet, make sure to consult your physician. 5. Apples. Apples provide a number of health benefits, including boosting your metabolism. They are low in calories and high in soluble fiber, so they are great for those who want to lose weight. The fiber can keep your cells from absorbing fat and encourage them to absorb more water. What is more, apples can keep you full for longer, thus keep you away from the unhealthy cravings. This counts if you consume 1 apple before your meal. Even though all apples are packed with benefits, green apples are the most beneficial for boosting your metabolic rate. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.